Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. It's a beautiful day and we're taking a look at a beautiful trailer. This one, a 2022 Hampton 380 RKS. Beautiful park model, 4 slides on this. Hampton of course comes with the higher ceilings. You'll see that when we get inside, that nice residential feel to it. Just a beautiful unit. We've been waiting for these for quite some time and they're starting to arrive. Our friends up in Moncton have a 364 MBL, a nice bunk model that they'll be highlighting for you shortly. But today we are going to look at this beautiful 380 RKS. So a couple things on the outside. Of course, you've got your nice big power awning. You've got a couple speakers on the outside. There's your scare light is all LED. Your step up into the bedroom directly, and you can see there's a little peephole there so you can see who's knocking. And of course, you've got beautiful sliding glass doors in your main entry. As we head in, we'll take a look at the great layout of this one. So you walk in and look at this beautiful living space right off the bat. A couple Thomas Paine recliners, entertainment unit, all set up. You've got lights, you've got, of course, they recline, they'll vibrate, they'll warm up for you. Just a beautiful, comfortable spot to relax and enjoy your social space. If you need a little bit of extra space for company, this couch does fold out into a double bed. You can see there on the slide out as well, nice use of the space. So if you need that extra sleeping space or just a little comfortable spot to hang out and maybe watch the game on your beautiful 50-inch TV, you've got that as well. Completing the room, we also have a nice fireplace in this one. The Greystone fireplace, of course, will put out some heat for you and set up some nice ambiance if you just want to use it as a spot to really just add something to the room in terms of the overall vibe. There's your dinette, a couple freestanding tables, or chairs rather, and the table itself actually floats, which is nice, so you don't have the legs underneath, so it's attached directly to the wall. You've got an ottoman there as your secondary spot. You can pull that out, of course, and use it as a footstool for these beautiful chairs and couch. And a nice little convenience feature here in that you've got a charger port. Just set your phone right on top of there, and your phone will charge right off that. What appears to be a coaster. It's kind of a cool spot and a nice convenient thing to have. Beautiful windows all around, really brightens things up. So we've got windows on either side of the theater seating. We mentioned it's a 380 RKS, so we've got a rear kitchen layout. As we walk back into the kitchen, you can see all kinds of space here. Really a chef's kitchen at the end of the day. You've got the high-rise faucet. Over top of the stainless steel sink, great counter space there. Storage above. Look at that beautiful range hood. Nice accent in behind to protect your walls. Little splash guard behind there. 4-burner cooktop. You can see the really high-end finish on that. Full-size oven. Storage below. Counter space continues to wrap around the unit, and a nice big bright window to brighten things up while you're back here doing your thing to feed the family. More storage all around. Huge Samsung side-by-side fridge. Underneath freezer. More storage here. Spot for a coffee bar. Maybe set up your margarita, your blender, your Keurig, whatever it is you'd like to set up in that space. You've got storage below. And a nice microwave there too. Full size, of course. Again, you can cook anything you can cook at home. You can cook here in this beautiful big kitchen in the Hampton. Take a look up the trailer from this spot. You see the overhead fan to keep things cool, keep the air moving through. Again, just love the layout of this. And in a good spot here too to take note of those high ceilings I mentioned we were outside. I'm 6 feet tall. We've got another couple feet of ceiling above me, so really you feel that nice residential vibe about the unit. And we mentioned the slide outs as well. Full height to those, so you can walk right in. You don't have to worry about hitting your head. Coming into the front of the trailer now, there's your washroom. Nice granite look countertops. Good size sink. Medicine cabinet above. Triple slide glass shower doors. That nice marble look shower enclosure. Got a window there to brighten things up in here. And a porcelain foot flush toilet. All kinds of floor space as well. So, heading into the front of the unit, you've got a nice king size bed on the slide, storage above. Window there right above the bed so you can get some fresh air. And some more windows at the front of the unit to really create that panoramic feel. And of course, you've got those dark night shades so you can slide those down when you want to have a little bit of privacy or sleep in. Great storage throughout. Spot there for a TV if you'd like. There's that secondary door. And some more storage here as it wraps around. And then of course you've got a nice big closet in this unit as well. We'll come over here and take a look at the inside. Nice touch in the Hampton Park models is that they are pre-plumbed for a washer dryer. If you're away using this as a destination trailer, someplace you're going to stay for the summer, use it as a cottage, you've got everything that you need. So this has been a look at the Hampton 2022 model of the 380 RKS. Beautiful floor plan we have here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. I mentioned our friends in Moncton have a beautiful 364 MBL bunk model. Really cool layout up there too. Happy to have the Hampton line. Happy to see them starting to show up. If you're in the market for a destination trailer, pre-owned trailer, big trailer, small trailer, any kind of trailer at all, come see us. Quispam Sis Leisure Time Sales, our friends up at Moncton. Quispam Sis and Moncton here to serve you. Have a great day, folks.